Unlock the true power of your Zapier automations by injecting custom logic right where you need it. Today, we're doing a deep dive into Zapier's Code Step, your gateway to building incredibly dynamic and tailored workflows for Get limitations. With the Code Step, you can go beyond basic automation and implement sophisticated data transformations, complex calculations, and even direct API interactions. Think of it as adding a programmable brain to your Zap. You can select either JavaScript or Python to write small snippets of code that execute within your automation. This allows you to reshape incoming data, extract specific pieces of information, or even perform calculations that Zapier's built-in actions can't handle alone. Getting started is straightforward within your Zapier editor. You'll find Code by Zapier. As an action app, adding this step is just like adding any other once you select it. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred language, JavaScript or Python. After choosing your language, you'll see a clean code editor. Here's where the magic happens. You'll input your script, and Zapier will automatically pass the data from your previous step into the code execution environment. Your script's output will then become available for subsequent steps in your Zap. For instance, imagine you receive a messy address string with a few lines of JavaScript or Python. You can parse that string, extract the street, city, and zip code separately, making it perfectly formatted for your CRM or spreadsheet. Or you could take multiple numerical fields and calculate a percentage directly within the Zap. This opens up a world of advanced possibilities, manipulating dates, cleaning text, validating information, or even making direct calls to external APIs to fetch additional context or trigger actions not natively supported by Zapier. It's about making your automations truly intelligent and responsive to your unique needs. So, if you're looking to elevate your automation game and build truly custom integrations, the Zapier Code Step is your next frontier.